Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson Indian forest resources. So till to yesterday we have to learn about the types of forest and what are the how to we conserve forest and everything. So today in this lesson we have to know about the national parks of India. So which are the national, yesterday we learnt about the wildlife sanctuaries and in the same way the national parks of India. So let us get to know the meaning of national parks. So what is mean by national parks here? The area which is protected or preserve the wildlife and the forest for the public recreation and the scientific interest, that is called as the national park. I mean the most dangerous species or the more extinct species what are there, for those species here in a national park the peoples are preserved in this area, and also as well as forest is conserved. So in that forest we can see the many medicinal plants also, and it is most attractive for the public actually. Public recreation means it is kind of one tourist center, and also the scientific research, scientific interest. Many of them visited to the national parks and they studied about the animals, extinct animals, or they studied about the many trees like that. Okay, that area, okay, the area which is protected for the preserve of wildlife and the forest conservation, for the preserve of wildlife as well as and the forest conservation, to create the public recreation and also the scientific interest, that is called as the national parks. Let us know which are the important national parks of India. Important national parks of India, very important question it is, keep in mind, most repeated question. Okay, important national parks of India. Kaziranga in Assam National Park is called as Kaziranga. Next, Sundarban in West Bengal. Sundarban in West Bengal. Here most of the tigers are protected. Clear? Next, Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand. UK means not United Kingdom, Uttarakhand it is. Next, Gir in Gujarat. Here only the lions are protected. Where? Gir. Sundarbans, tigers are protected. Gir in Gujarat, lions are protected. And in other places, almost all the animals are protected. Okay, Gir in Gujarat. Kanha in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next, Sarsika in Rajasthan. Next is the Dudhwa in Uttar Pradesh. UP means Uttar Pradesh. Next is Tandova in Maharashtra. And I think you know about that Karnataka national parks, that is Bandipura, Bannerghatta and Nagarhole. Bandipura, very important, Karnataka national parks. Bandipura, as you know already, Bannerghatta nearby Bangalore, and Nagarhole. So these are the Karnataka's national park, Nagarhole. Okay, so very important question, most repeated question also. Mention the national parks of India. Kaziranga in Assam, Sundarban in West Bengal, Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand, Gir in Gujarat, Kanha in Madhya Pradesh, Sarsika in Rajasthan, Dudhwa in Uttar Pradesh, Tandova in Maharashtra, Bandipura, Bannerghatta and Nagarhole in Karnataka. So get to know the pronunciation of some words actually. This is a Jim Corbett, and this is Sarsika, this is Dudhwa, and this is Tandova. Okay. So these are the important national parks of India. So let us know the next one is biosphere reservoirs. Biosphere reserves or reservoirs. So what is mean by biosphere reserves or reservoirs? Both are same, reserves or reservoirs. So biosphere reservoirs, here the conservation of wild animals one thing, and the research and the education. So along with that to conserve the forest, the local public involvement is more. Okay, that is called as the biosphere reservoir. I mean, so these biosphere reservoirs are almost protected by the public. Okay, almost they are like a public's like a god. With the help of the local people, the government has conserve some forest area to protect the wildlife and for research and for education. That is called, that area, forest area is called as the biosphere reservoirs. I'll repeat again, what is mean by biosphere reservoirs? The area which is protected by with the help of a local people, to protect the wildlife, as well as, and also it is help for education or the scientific research. That is called as the biosphere reservoirs. So which are those biosphere reserves or reservoirs of India? That is Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu. I think you know about that, right? So Nilgiri, then Nanda Devi, Great Nicobar, Andaman Nicobar. In that only Nicobar. Okay. So Great Nicobar, then Similipal, Kanchanajunga, then Dihang and Dibang, etc. So these are the Dibang. Okay, these are the important biosphere reservoirs of India. Keep in mind. So which are the important biosphere reservoirs? Okay, so Nilgiri, Nanda Devi, Great Nicobar, Similipal, Kanchanajunga, Dihang and Dibang. Okay, Dihang and Dibang. Okay, they are called as the biosphere reservoirs of India. So very important, you have to get to know that in this lesson. The wildlife sanctuaries and the national parks, then the biosphere reservoirs. In that, most important is national parks. Okay, so for this the lesson was ended. Hope you will understand better. So tomorrow we have to continue with a new lesson. Thank you all.